First, welcome to Adam and Tessa's channel. And now, let's pack with me. In this video, I'm going to share with you tips and tricks on how to pack well for your vacation.
What are you gonna do with the pillowcase?
Clothes.
In the pillowcase?
Yep.
Savage.
Yoo-hoo! So, we have 2 days left until we leave the country, and I haven't packed anything yet. And I feel like I'm starting to piss Tessa off because I haven't packed anything, and she's a planner, and she already got all of her stuff done. So I told her I just can't. I just can't pack 2 weeks before I fly. So here we go.
What are you gonna do with the pillowcase?
Pack the clothes.
In the pillowcase?
Yep.
Savage. Put in your purse then, if you're just gonna take your pillow.
So this with all of my makeup and toiletries, and this actual purse are gonna go into the school bag.
Oh my god.
The Russian doll. It's a bag.
Inside of a bag? Excuse my pajama pants.
This is tomorrow on the plane, so I can match your outfit because you were yelling at me earlier. And
Whose idea is it to match though, usually? No, what? Excuse me?
no, me.
Yeah.
Because you gotta think about, like, if we're gonna take a picture, to make it like look pretty is like when you, I don't know how to explain that, but when you look at the picture, you see the colors are matching, the angle of the picture, and the lighting. So all that you gotta like.
Well, your feet are dancing around and I'm trying to get your feet in the video and I can't.
I get it. I get it.
No, I was trying to get your
should I
whole
take-
message.
Should I take my backpack?
Yeah. That one, yeah. You should.
But why? For like around water, drinks, anything we need. Put this in the big
Yeah, but you don't think we could just pack everything in that
everything
one?
here.
Yeah. Why not?
So I decided to put everything and listen to my wife and just take my small backpack, has the world map in it, and leave my big one for a bigger trip. So we're all ready.
I do want to mention though, like, so with the pillowcase, I was not once was I stopped, looked at extra. I mean, even though with the pillowcase, you can kind of see it's lumpy and bumpy and might not have
But hey,
everything in it.
you were kind of scared a little bit the
I was
first time.
nervous.
And I told you, just go. Don't show fear in your eyes, then they will let you go.
Yes, and I was nervous, not as much at our hometown airport because we've never had problems, but it's always kind of nerve-wracking, like returning in big cities, and you never know how strict people are. But I really wasn't, I didn't have a second look. No one cared. Even though my pillowcase is bumpy and lumpy and you can tell there's probably other things in there.
It's not really a pillow.
Yeah, no one said anything. So this is a really safe way.
Do you want to tell them about the Vegas trip when the guy asked you what are these bugs at the counter?
Yeah, the only time.
The only time that the guy said, what's in this pillow? Are these clothes? And then I looked at you and you started to get red. And you were like, oh my god, they're gonna find out, oh my god. And then I said, hey, she just needs it to sleep on. It's a pillow. I didn't say no. It doesn't have, so I didn't lie.
Yeah.
I didn't lie. I said she just needs it for, And then he was like, yeah, all right. So that went well.
The only downside of this method is that my arms feel like limp noodles by the time I've dragged that through the airport.
The whole time.
I wish it had
My
straps. So there you have it.
I would also recommend these plastic bags for space, and I would recommend to put only shirts and t-shirts inside them. That will save you a lot of space in your suit and your backpack. And of course, don't forget to enjoy packing your stuff. There's nothing better than that.
So with this said, we'll see you next video. If you really like this content and you want more information about how to travel cheap, looking for a scholarship, training, conferences, any kind of thing related to seeing the world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can see any video that we upload. See you next video.
Bye.
Just go, don't show fearness in your eyes. They will let you. Yeah. Fearness.
Don't show fear.
What? Fearness?
Fearness is not a word.
Isn't that a word?
No.
Okay.
Don't show fear in your eyes. Can I say, but it does make your arms tired walking through the airport. Okay. Just remember those kids that sat next to us on the plane?
Oh yeah, I do remember when they asked you about the pillow.
They asked me about my pillow, and I said, I'm not paying baggage fees. And they looked at me like I was like an alien. And I'm just sitting here like, I don't want to pay $25, $40 if I don't have to.
Exactly. That's a smart way. So everybody, if you ever travel and they say you have to pay for your luggage, here's smart Tessa.
Oh.
You didn't record. I'm serious. Don't.
I don't know how. Like I
Shut up. Show me your phone. Because I think you're. Show me.
see you next video. Bye.